you could tell exactly when your baby needs you? What if technology could provide you with essential information about your baby's well-being, so that you could protect your baby if he's ever in distress, helping you intervene in time, enhancing your decision-making, keeping your family safe and sound? If technology could do all of these, it would be something far more valuable. It would be a brand new connection with your baby. At BabySense, we've transformed technology into powerful information giving you peace of mind. We've created an accurate movement monitor that alerts you if movements stop or become irregularly slow. The responsibility is enormous, but the opportunity to make a difference is even more so. This is our mission. BabySense, the original non-contact baby movement monitor.
Okay guys, so what we're looking at today is the noise cancellation headphones for babies. So this can be used from anywhere from 3 months all the way up to 3 years. And some of the unique features that we have here is the high quality materials. So this is safe for children to use, it's non-toxic, and also it doesn't apply much pressure to the head when wearing it. So you know there won't be any discomfort or something, and it's really good to use, particularly for traveling. If you're in a car or on an airplane, in a train, anywhere where there's a lot of loud noise, and it could disrupt the baby's sleep. So this is really ideal for both boys and girls. So whether you have a young bundle of love that's a boy or a girl, there's a color that is suitable. And like I said, traveling and anything, it will actually cancel out all the noise. So it will cancel out about 28 to 31 decibels of sound, and it will allow them to have a really peaceful sleep and not be interrupted. So I definitely recommend one of these for your baby to have a nice peaceful sleep while traveling or during parties or events where maybe the adults want to have a bit of fun and the baby rest quietly.
We'll talk about the changing mat here in just a second, but let's get started with the bag. Now the bag itself has 5 external pockets. The first pocket being this one on your left-hand side. This pocket was designed specifically for your baby wipes. You can throw a few diapers in there behind it as well if you want to. It's got 2 zippers, so it's really easy to access from either direction. The second pocket is right here on your top right. It's got 2 zippers as well for smooth, easy access. And you can throw, your butt cream or toys or Band-Aids, things that you kind of want to isolate and maybe you have easier, quicker access to right there on the front. It's got Velcro on the front of it as well, so you can put your patches on there, mommy, daddy, any of that kind of stuff that we sell. You can accessorize this bag, make it your own, have some fun. Now the third pocket is down here on the bottom right. It's got Velcro for closure, so it's easy to access. You're not fumbling around with anything. You got a kid in your arm and you need to get your car keys or something like that. You just whip that thing open, grab what you need, and close it back up, and you're on your way. Now the fourth pocket is along the front side of the bag here. It's a full length pocket. It's padded, so it's a really great place for those tablets and things like that. It's also great for coloring books and other activities to keep your kids entertained. The fifth pocket is on the back side of the bag here, and this is where you would store your changing mat. Fits right in here. It's got 2 zippers, so it's easy to access. And then it's got MOLLE webbing on the back side of the bag as well. And this is part of the modular system. This is where you can take any of our accessories, any of the pouches, and you could put it anywhere on the back side of the bag. You'll also notice it on the side of the bag, so you could put a bottle pouch on the side of this, or you could put a bottle pouch here. You could put a wipes pouch back here. If you needed to make room for something else in the front side of your bag, say you have a kid with medical conditions and you carry some medical equipment, you can put some of that up here, take your wipes out, put those on the back side of the bag, free up some space inside the bag there. We've got the dump pouch. You know, again, all those accessories you can mount in any of those locations that you see around the bag. Moving on then to the inside of the bag, you'll see the dividers and the compartmentalization here. So again, you can separate things side to side there in the front. This divider is actually removable. So you can take this and you can just remove the divider in the middle if you wanted to and keep it there, or you can completely take that thing out if you want more of an open bag feel. This divider also has a carabiner here, so if you wanted to clip a pacifier to it, or your car keys or something like that, that you want to know right where it is every time, that's the spot for that. Now, the bag still has two more pockets on the inside. It's got like a solid pocket here, and then it's got a mesh pocket. You can throw snacks in there, a couple of bottles, formula, stuff like that, right in there, no problem. And then it's got another full-size padded pocket on the back side, great for bibs or blankets, things of that nature. So that is the bag itself. Let's get back to the changing mat for a second. Now, a changing mat is probably everybody's favorite accessory. It opens into a full 12 by 24 changing mat this way. It's got a pocket here on the front side, so you can put a small pack of wipes, couple of diapers in there. If you needed to run off to a restroom or a changing room to change your kid and you just wanted to grab this out of your bag and go. It's got a carry handle on top and a small D-ring here, so you could clip it to your stroller or the outside of your bag or something like that using one of our carabiners. That is pretty much it, guys, for the diaper bag and the changing mat. It's available in several different colors.